Hello friends, today I will share with you how to get rid of toenail fungus naturally fast in one day with baking soda, nail fungus treatment. So first I need black tea. Black tea soaking feet in plain tea can also be beneficial in treating toenail or foot fungus. Black tea contains tannic acid that dries out the feet, kills bacteria, and helps to close the foot pores to reduce sweating. Boil 2 quarts of water, then add 5 to 6 tea bags. Allow the tea to cool and soak feet for 30 minutes. Use this foot soak daily if desired. I need baking soda. Baking soda to a foot soak to heal the affected nail. You can also make a paste of baking soda with a minimal amount of water and apply it directly to the foot. Allow the paste to sit on the affected area for 10 to 20 minutes. I need apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, another home remedy to treat toenail fungus, includes the use of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is an antifungal that can be mixed with water to create a foot soak. Try 2 parts vinegar to 1 part warm water and soak feet for 20 minutes daily. For a more potent foot soak, the ratio could be 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. Mix it well. Mix all of the ingredients. Ready for use. Use your fingers in a good way. Use in the morning during the day. Then wash your fingers after 1 hour. I hope good result only 2 days. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.